Okay, hi guys, welcome back. We'll configure now the high availability at Proxmox level. Okay, so to do that, that is pretty simple. We go to the data center level and on the HA, from HA go to group. Okay, because you can create different group of HA. Right now, I will configure only one group. Okay, uh, I will call it a group for group one. Okay, and maybe in this group I will have all those nodes. Simply it's up to me. Okay. You can exclude some node, but here I would like to add all those nodes, which means that if my virtual machine is running here and all this chassis has been shut down, the virtual machine will be starting up on another node. Okay, great. Okay, so now the HA group has been created. Let's now add new node in the HA. Okay, I will now Okay, I see that this virtual machine, particular virtual machine, is critical for me, and I will activate high availability on this particular node simply. Okay, number of restart we can um, yeah, restart. Okay, no, now add. Okay, so now it's okay for this particular VM, and this is it. Okay, the HA has been configured successfully, and let's test it. Okay. Let's suppose that for any reason, right now the virtual machine is there, is on this node. And let me bring back it on the chassis. Okay. No, I will let it here. Simply, I will let it here, and I will shut down this the whole chassis too. Okay, I will see, and I will see what will happen now. Let's, Okay, chassis B, and so chassis B, I will shut down it. I will simulate the shadow of the chassis B. Okay, let's call this one, and let's call this one width. Okay, so let's see. Now I should not able anymore to have access to this node because I right now I'm going to pull the IP address of this blade. Okay, and it has been shut down. Okay, right now, availability right now. Okay, same things for this second node. Okay. And so now I will connect on this first node. As you can see, both nodes have been the chassis one has been not stopped. And let's see what will happen to the. Let's see if the VM will be started. Okay. And meanwhile, let's launch the ping to the IP address over here. Okay. Exit. Yeah, okay. The VM has been started on the. Okay, let's be started on A1. It is a form message. Just have to wait. Okay, wait. As you can see, just have to wait for the system to start the VM. As you can see, VM start. You can see here, a moment. Yeah, okay, great. So congratulations. Your VM is on high availability mode in your Proxmox cluster. So this is it. Thank you very much and see you for the next lecture. And don't hesitate to comment, share if you have any question. Okay, and like also the, this video. Thank you very much. Bye from now.